I just recorded this whole thing and it didn't even save. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate all the nice comments you guys put on my video. Seeing you guys happy or feeling inspired or any sort of positive feeling from my videos, it means a lot to me and it really makes me continue like wanting to be consistent with YouTube. I think YouTube is my favorite platform in the sense where I'm able to kind of share a part of my life that you guys can't really see through other platforms. Like Instagram is just photos of me thirst trapping. TikTok is also me thirst trapping. Twitter is me being funny AF. So on YouTube, you guys kind of can see my life more in the eyes of me. So I like it a lot. I'm actually going to LIV this weekend, which is why I'm putting together this short video and I'm putting this at the end. So it's not too short, but I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for my jaw surgery video and I want to apologize that it's taking so long. But the reason being is my jaw surgery journey and everything, it has a lot of emotions and deep feelings in it that I've kind of just suppressed into a little corner of my brain and I haven't really gone through it yet. And so every time I start editing or working on my jaw surgery video, I realize that I will have to open that box and it's very, very heavy. Ever since I came back from Korea, I have been incredibly busy. Other than just like posting on YouTube and streaming here and there and making TikToks here and there, I've also been working on my next Evico collection, which by the way, I have a clothing line called Evico. If you guys didn't know, I haven't released anything new on it since actually the beginning of this year, late last year actually. So it's been a while, mainly because I had to go to Korea for surgeries. I basically wasn't really working for like 5 months because I was recovering. So I have a lot of stuff to catch up on right now. That's why I've been so incredibly busy. Also, with vaccines coming out, my friends are hanging out more. There's been more LA events. Just in general, like a lot. Wow, like I need more time. I'm not trying to have any excuses, but definitely I will try to work on my jaw surgery video very soon. On that note, I am also moving. Right now I live with Jody and Sydney, as you guys know. We live in this beautiful apartment. We love this apartment. The only issue is our rooms are really small and we work from home, so it's a little bit difficult. Sydney and I definitely need more space. I don't even have like an office for Evico and stuff, so I do everything in my little room. We definitely all have different needs, and so we went hunting for 3-bedroom apartments, but unfortunately within our budget it's really difficult to find like 3 bedrooms that fit all of our requirements and needs. We tried really hard. Ultimately decided to split off, and so Jody and Sid are gonna go live together and I'm separating from them, sadly. It's really sad. Pretty bummed about it. Like Jody and Sid are all I ever wanted. Because we work from home, it's hard to kind of sacrifice our own needs and stuff for each other. So yeah, I will be moving in with a new roommate who is a complete surprise. I do think it'll be really exciting and really fun to live with this person. So I am excited for that, but definitely this beautiful apartment, I'm gonna really miss it. I have a lot of good memories here. Okay, I'm rambling now. But thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, just do what makes you happy and unapologetically be yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.